Hello, I have just recorded a installation video for the Britax Max-Way, which is this car seat. This is actually the Max-Way Plus, but I thought while I'm here I'm just going to do a quick little video because a lot of people message me to say that they're finding it really difficult to install this car seat with this legroom gap, because when they pull the seatbelt tight the gap closes. So I just thought I'd make a little quick video to show you how to avoid that. So I've now passed the belt through the belt path and clicked it into the buckle, and now I'll just show you what happens when you pull the belt tight. The seat just slides across the seat, especially in cars like these where the seats are made of leather, and because the seat is quite lightweight, it's very easy for the whole seat to just slide across the seat when you're tightening the belt. But there is a very easy way to stop that from happening. The instruction booklet says that you have to do the seatbelt first and the tether strap second, and that's all good and well, but if you do it that way then you do have that risk of the gap closing when you're tightening the belt. But what I think is a better way to do this, to avoid that gap from closing, is once you've put the belt through the belt path and buckled it in, you then place the seat in the position where you want it, making sure you've got the amount of leg room that you want, and then tighten the tethers first. Click one tether into place and pull it tight, and the second one and pull it tight. And then with the tethers in place and tightened, once you then come back here and you tighten the seat belt, you can pull it as tight as you like, but that gap won't close because the straps at the back will stop the seat from sliding across the car seat. So there it is, the Max-Way Plus installed with a legroom gap that I have managed to keep open. I hope this helps. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.